On the control panel of the printer, using the arrow button, search for Copy Settings. Using the down arrow button, search for Info Report. Press OK. Using the down arrow, select Printing Info Page. Press OK. The printer will print the 2 pages of the information report. In the first page you will find the toner level. 100% is full. 0% is empty. How to change language. Using the arrow button, search for Copy Settings. Using the down arrow, select System Settings. Press OK. Using the down arrow, select Language Set. Press OK. Using the down arrow, select the language you want. Press OK. The language has been changed.